Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Chicken Tikka is one of India's most popular dishes and a hot favorite internationally too. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for chicken tikka. We'll show you how a two-stage marination helps flavor the chicken from the inside, how to use thick hung curd for a marinade that coats the chicken beautifully, and how to cook it in a pan without letting the masala burn. We'll also share some important cooking tips to help you get juicier, tender pieces of chicken, lightly charred coating, and that irresistible smoky flavor we all love. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious chicken tikka. Step 1. First marination of the chicken. We have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken leg pieces. Using only chicken thighs would be even better. You can use breast pieces also, but they tend to become a little dry after frying. Cut the chicken into 1.5 to 2-inch pieces. After cutting the chicken, pat them dry thoroughly with a kitchen towel or napkin. This is particularly important because if the chicken is wet, it releases water into the pan and you will end up with boiled steamed chicken rather than a seared tikka. Place the chicken pieces in a bowl. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Add 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Apply the marination nicely to the chicken pieces. Massage it thoroughly into the chicken. The first marinade gives the chicken its internal seasoning. This means the chicken doesn't taste bland underneath the masala coating. First marination of the chicken is done. Cover and keep it in the refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes. On low heat, add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil in a pan. Heat it until it smokes. Once done, keep the oil aside to cool. Step 2. Second marination of the chicken. After 30 to 45 minutes, remove the chicken from the refrigerator. In a mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of thick hung curd. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 3/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Add half teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Add half teaspoon of dry kasuri methi. Using the palm of your hand, crush the dry kasuri methi and then add it. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Add 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Add the cooled mustard oil. Thick hung curd is achieved by draining out all the liquid called away from the curd using a muslin cloth. Mix everything properly. The consistency is important. It should cling to a spoon, not run off it. Since we are cooking the chicken tikka in a pan rather than a tandoor, we've not added besan in the marinade. Marinade is ready. Add the marinated chicken pieces in the marinade. Besan can stick to the pan and brown or burn quickly at high temperatures, so leaving it out gives us a better browning and makes the chicken tikka easier to cook in a pan without the masala burning. Besan can be added in this recipe if you're going to cook the chicken tikka in a microwave or grill or in a tandoor. Apply the marinade properly to the chicken pieces so that each piece is coated well. Add a few drops of orange-red color to get that restaurant-style look. You can skip it if you want. Mix everything nicely. Second marination of the chicken is done. Cover and keep it in the refrigerator for around 4 to 8 hours. Don't leave it overnight for 18 to 24 hours because this marinade contains lime and yogurt. Step 3. Preparing the chicken tikka. On medium heat in a wide open thick bottom frying pan or a non-stick pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Spread the oil throughout the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken pieces one at a time. Ensure all the chicken pieces are touching the bottom of the pan and are not placed on top of each other. Do not overcrowd the pan but keep space between chicken pieces, otherwise it will release water and steam. Fry it in multiple batches if all the pieces can't fit in one go. Cook the chicken undisturbed for about 2 minutes. Let the bottom develop a nice crust. If you constantly turn it, the marinade will stick to the pan and you'll lose the beautiful brown coating. After around 2 minutes, once you see the deep golden brown crust, turn the chicken pieces to cook the other side. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover and cook for around 3 minutes. This process will help you cook the chicken from within. After around 3 minutes, open the pan and cook for 2 minutes. After around 2 minutes, now turn the chicken pieces to cook the other side. Remove any marinade that's stuck to the pan and put it back on the chicken pieces. Cook for around 3 minutes. After around 3 minutes, turn the chicken pieces. Try to remove the marinade stuck to the pan and apply it to the chicken pieces. One caution: don't keep the pan covered continuously. The steam can make the tikka soft rather than nicely browned. Alternating between covered cooking and uncovered browning will give you better results. Now cover and cook on low heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the pan and turn the chicken pieces once again. Remove the marinade stuck to the pan and apply it back to the chicken pieces. Cook the chicken pieces for another 2 to 3 minutes. Keep turning the pieces so that they don't get burnt. The most important point is that the chicken must reach 74 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit internally at the thickest point. If you don't have a thermometer, cut the large piece to check if it is fully cooked and it's no longer pink inside. Once the chicken pieces are cooked, remove them and keep them on a wire rack or strainer. Remove any leftover masala from the pan as it will get burnt while adding the second batch of chicken. To cook chicken tikka in a non-stick pan on medium-low heat, you generally need about 15 to 20 minutes in total, depending on the size of the pieces. Then add the second batch of chicken pieces in the pan. If required, add a little oil. When the second batch of chicken is getting cooked, place 1 or 2 cold pieces on another burner on medium heat. Once the final batch of chicken is cooked, add the first batch of chicken pieces in the pan. Apply butter and allow it to coat the chicken. Make a space in the middle of the pan and put the heat off. In the center, place a steel bowl or steel foil sheet with the burning hot coal inside. Pour half teaspoon of ghee or cooking oil on the hot charcoal. Cover the pan completely for around 5 minutes. Let the smoke infuse the chicken pieces. This will give the chicken a smoky restaurant-style flavor. Remove the bowl and keep it aside. Delicious restaurant-style chicken tikka is ready. Sprinkle some chaat masala over the chicken pieces. Garnish it with a little fresh coriander or cilantro leaves. Serve it hot with mint coriander chutney, lime wedges and onion tomato salad. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.